basically, before discuss session, you must know my name is Akshay and I am teaching CCNA, CCNP or CCI courses, clear? Integrated courses you can learn. And I'm also teaching multi-vendor technology also, SD-WAN, automation, firewalls, some security topics also, and some other technology I'm also teaching, clear? So this one is my profile. If you need to verify, if you need to check out, so this website, in this website you can get me on this one, clear? And if you need to connect with my social media account, so you can find out on LinkedIn, clear? So if you write down Akshay CCI, so you can get my this profile, this one.
Okay.
So this one is my social media account. So you can connect me, and if you are getting any question, any doubt, so you can ping me on WhatsApp, on LinkedIn, clear? Easily.
Okay.
Any doubt? So this thing is clear. So basically, I am teaching CCNA, CCNP or CCI, but in today's session, we discuss only which one topic? CCNA introduction part. Okay. Basically, we are getting a one vendor first. We are getting a Cisco vendor. We are getting a Juniper, HP, Nokia, Huawei, and Alcatel. Different types of vendors. This one is my vendors. This vendor providing a devices. Which type of devices we are getting? Router, firewall, switches, access points, IP phone, cameras, SD-WAN devices, clear? Network security devices, storage devices we are also getting, cloud services also we are getting. Now, basically, Cisco will introduce some courses. Which courses? Cisco will introduce courses for L1 engineer, L2 engineer, L3 engineer, L4 engineers. This engineers called a level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4. So Cisco will introduce associate course, professional course, expert level course and data centers course. Clear? A means associate, P means professional, E means expert, and D.C means data centers, and S.P means service provider, and SEC means a security. So these courses will provided by a Cisco. Okay, Juniper, HP, Nokia, Huawei, Alcatel, and XYZ vendors also providing some courses. Clear? But if you learn Cisco course, so you can easily work on other vendor devices. Easily. So basically, for example, if you're having a PC, inside the PC, if you're having a Windows means operating system we are saying. If you easily work on Windows system, so you can use any other operating system, not a Linux, but other operating system you can easily use. But we are getting a multi-vendor operating system. So same thing on devices. We are getting Cisco devices, other vendor devices. Devices having iOS, and we are working on iOS, CLI or GUI. This iOS we can access in the basis of GUI or CL. Now, basically, before this CCNA enterprise, we are getting a which one syllabus? We are getting CCNA routing and switching. We are getting a security. We are getting voice. We are getting a data centers. Clear? So this CCNA available, but after Cisco changes, we are getting a which one courses? This one is not now available. We are getting a which one course now? CCNA Enterprise. In this CCNA Enterprise, we are getting a book code, or you can say exam code. So book code and exam code are simple. Basically 200 and 300. One is my book code and exam code. This thing is clear? Now, in CCNA Enterprise, we discuss multiple topics. But before learning a CCNA Enterprise, must be complete your basic fundamentals. Basic fundamental means if you're working as a network engineer, or if you're planning working as a network engineer, must be learn 5 things. Which one things, dear? Which one is 5 things? First, you need to learn OSI model. OSI model will provide a data structure, layer informations, how data traffic will be generated, and which type of information will be added inside your data. Because end of the day, this laptop user sending some data via internet, via LAN cable, via network cable. So that is the reason we discuss OSI model. OSI model will help to communicate two different vendor devices, and also discuss header information. Header means, for example, this one is guy and this guy name is a Bob. This person purchased some goods from Amazon. So whenever Amazon deliver the product via courier, so we are getting a box. In this box, we add some information. For example, name, mobile number, email, address, location, landmarks. So this information we are calling header information. So basically, for example, whenever this PC, laptop, and computers and devices sending data, so we add header. So the header will carry this device information in a network. Network means a group. A group means bunch of computers available in single place. Now, after done OSI model, we discuss one more topic. This topic name is IP address. Basically, if you're having a mobile phone, so mobile phone getting a contact number, mobile number, every person have a unique ID. Yes or no? 10 digit, 11 digit. So basically every person a different or unique number. So why we are getting a different or unique number? To identify the person. Clear? Same thing in my network. Whenever we attach a multiple computers, PC, laptop devices, network devices, we must assign IP. IP means Internet Protocol Address. Why we use Internet Protocol Address? To identify which device sending or which device receiving the data traffic. Basically, we are getting IP address two types, version 4 and version 6. Now, after done IP address, we need to discuss about the subnetting topic. What is the meaning of subnetting? For example, inside organization, we are getting a different type of groups, HR, sales, marketing, accounts, support team, IT rooms, multiple departments available inside the organization. So how to create multiple networks, how to create multiple groups, you can say. So subnetting will help. Now, fourth number topic is networking devices. Before doing any other things, must be clear the networking devices. Basically, how many types networking devices we discuss? Hub, bridge, router, switch, gateway. Why we use and how to use. And whenever users send data, how these devices will flow the data traffic from one location to another location. Sorry. So in networking device, we discuss data flow, packet flow, R process, proxy R, routing table, MAC table, this concept. And after 4 topic, we discuss a fifth number. Fifth number is last topic to clear your basic fundamentals. This fifth number topic we discuss how many communication type. Communication type. Communication types we discuss what is the meaning of unicast, broadcast, multicast. Basically, whenever we know the destination, for example, this Bob want to reach a Jacob site. This one is Jacob. Jacob living in San Jose. Clear? And Bob available in, you can say CA site. Now, so Bob say, I know the destination location, San Jose. But if I'm say destination is not known, then if destination is known, we are saying unicast. Which one? Unicast. One-to-one communication. But destination is not identified. That condition we are saying a broadcast. Because destination is unknown. But. If Bob using a WhatsApp application and Jacob also using a WhatsApp application, both are getting a new feature in WhatsApp, end-to-end encryption. So WhatsApp developer will introduce new feature. So both are receiving. How to receive? Because both are member of WhatsApp application. So WhatsApp application will use some multicast address. Multicast means from one device to many devices we are sending. So whenever we are getting any feature in my application, so everyone receive, yes or no? So that means we are doing a multicast communication. If you've done this 5 things, now we start the actual CCNA topics. Actual CCNA topics means we discuss first a switching part. Which one switching part? In switching, we discuss some protocols and features. First feature we discuss VLAN, then we discuss access port, then third we discuss DTP, fourth we discuss a trunk port, why we use trunk port. Then fifth number we discuss VTP, sixth number we discuss IVR technology, seventh number we discuss STP technology. If someone asking what is the meaning of loop and how to prevent a loop, so we discuss STP. Then 8 number topic we discuss STP types. Then 9th number we discuss RSTP. In RSTP we discuss advanced features. And 10th number we discuss Ether channel. Ether channel is very important topic. All are the topic in real time we are using. If you are working as a network engineer, so inside organization switch, this feature in use, all feature. Then after done your switching topics, we move on routing part. Switching is different and routing is different. So first we learn switching, then we start routing. Routing we learn 2 protocol, version 4 protocol, version 6. That means IP. With IPv4, with IPv6, this protocol and feature we discuss. First we discuss static routing. Then we discuss a default routing topic. Then we discuss a third number topic name is a dynamic. Both are different, all are different. Clear? So dynamic routing, we discuss only IGP protocols. In IGP, we discuss 3 protocols: RIP, EIGRP, and then OSPF. This protocol in use my production network, enterprise, or internet service provider also use. After these features, we discuss a 4th number. 4th number topic is ACL. If someone say I want to block some users communication, so we are using access control list. This feature we are using in firewall or security topic as well. Then 5th number we discuss net concept. Net means how to translate private address into public. So mostly network engineers enable this feature inside organization, homes, enterprise network. Then 6th number topic we discuss IP services. IP services is very important. This one feature we are using for gateway. Gateway means last exit point. If your last exit point is only 1, if 1 point is down, then we are getting a single point of failure. So that is the reason we are making a redundancy. Redundancy means one path is primary, other path is secondary. If primary goes down, then automatically secondary in use. Then 7th number we discuss a port security. 8th number topic we discuss DSCP. DSCP is very advanced feature. Whenever we are going a mall, any organization, so we are getting a free Wi-Fi connection. So how to get addresses in Wi-Fi, how to get internet connectivity, we learn in DSCP topic. Then 9th number topic we discuss TFTP server concept. Then 10th number we discuss how to back up your device, how to restore your device, how to erase your device information. If someone say I want to remove old information from my device and please make it new device. So how to do backup, restore, erase. So this one is your topic in CCNA Enterprise. This topic will take maximum, or you can say minimum, 45 days. Sometimes this topic will be go to 48 days. Sometimes this topic will be go to 46 days. But 45 is fixed. Minimum 45 days this topic we discuss, and class will be available on Monday to Thursday. Every day we discuss 1 hour session. I will provide a recorded lecture and we provide a PNG file. Right now I am write down this file, this topic discussion on MS Paint and save it into PNG format. So you can get this PNG file. I am not using any PPT. Clear? I am using PNG. PNG means I will write down every key point, theoretical lab simulation, lab situations, and then save it into PNG file. So recording PNG file you receive, and if you need any study material, Study material means books in PDF format we provide. Lab we can do on simulator, so no need any physical device. Simulator we are using a packet tracer or GNS3. This both simulator free of cost, so you can install. Then we are providing a lab books, so you can get some idea how to do a labs. This one is discussion about the CCNA. If you are getting any doubts, so you can ask me. John, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Any query you can ask me. No worry.
All right. So you said it basically within 45 days we should be able to complete
Yes,
this.
because if you need to learn a basic to advanced any topic, so minimum 45 days you need to spend.
Okay, good.
We can do fast. If you need to do a fast learn, so we can do. But this course must be learned slowly. If you learn slow this part, so you can easily learn any other technology, cloud security, any other technology.
Okay, because I also would be signing up for the Fortinet.
Yeah, you can learn side by side. No worry.
All right. Okay. Good.
But first 2 weeks you need to learn first 2 weeks this 5 topics. Clear? If you learn this 5 topics, that means you have some idea, data structure, packet level information. So you can do easily any other technology.
Okay, good.
Yes. Any other question?
No. It's very clear. I have no problem there.
Okay. So batch time, I think you already know batch time. It's a 2 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time Zone. Okay.
Yes.
We do 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. 1 hour everyday session, but class is only Monday to Thursday.
Right.
Okay, in Indian Standard Time Zone. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you have time to do a labs. Okay. If you need any help, so ping me on which account, a WhatsApp you can say, or LinkedIn. I am available. Clear? So both social media you can use and access. And every study material available on Google Drive. So you can easily access Google Drive. You have permission to download your data, your recording sessions, clear, books, simulators, you can download easily. If you need any help in lab, so you can ping me.
Okay. How soon would I have access to that? I could start probably advanced reading of some material.
Okay. You need to send me your Gmail account ID. You need to send me your email address, then I will provide the access. So you can easily access anywhere in your mobile phone, laptop, PC, iPad, anywhere you can easily access.
Okay, good. I'll send it to you on WhatsApp. No problem.
You need to send me on WhatsApp, and we meet again tomorrow. Same ID, same password. Okay, session link is same every day, and we meet again tomorrow and start the CCNA topic. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. Bye, dear. Take care. You have option to record your sessions. Clear? Now, basically today we need to discuss about the OSI model. If someone asking why we learn OSI model, so for example, if we are having a PC, so PC means personal computer. Okay, this personal computer we can receive by a vendors. Clear, dear? Or we are getting a different types of vendor. in which year we discussed which type of vendor available. I'm saying in 90s, we are getting a different vendors. For example, IBM, Microsoft, and Apple. These three vendors will provide a PC, personal computers. Okay. Whenever we purchase a personal computer, for example, from these vendors in 90s, so we are getting some guidelines from a vendors. Vendor will provide a guidelines. And which guidelines will provide? In guidelines, a vendor will define a first thing. Same vendor devices can communicate. Okay. Now, second guideline says same vendor devices can share data. Okay, or files. Now, third guidelines, different vendor devices cannot communicate in 90s. And one more guidelines, different vendor devices cannot share a data files. Don't clear this thing? Clear? Now, so this one guidelines we are getting in 90s whenever we purchase our devices from vendors. So in this case, Shell, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Now this one is PC, and this side we are also getting PC. Okay. Now this PC username is Bob, and this PC username is Seth. So how to provide a connectivity? So we are getting connectivity type. Which one type, dear? Connectivity types. We are getting a two types of connectivity. Which one? Two types connectivity. One is my wired, and other one is, dear, wireless. In wired technology, we are using Ethernet technology links cable. Ethernet technology links cable. And wireless, we are using Wi-Fi adapters to connect wireless network. Okay, dear. So can you please verify in between PC1 or PC2, we are using a which one connectivity, wired or wireless? First, you need to verify. This one is which one connectivity? We are calling this one is my wired. If I am saying this one, this type connectivity, so this one is which one, dear? Wireless. But now one more thing. Bob say, brother, my PC is from IBM. Sam say, my PC is from Apple. In 90s, if PC1 say, I want to share some data files, and PC2 possible to receive, Shell, can you please verify? In 90s, if you're having a two PC with two different person and trying to sharing data traffic from wired connectivity, so possible? Both are same vendor device or different vendor device?
Right. Just repeat that once more.
Yeah, PC1 using a IBM vendor personal computer. PC2 say I'm using Apple vendor personal computer in 90s, and both are connected with wired connectivity. So data transmission task will be performed or not performed? Both are same vendor.
Yes. Both will be performed.
No, data will be transferred, but both are same vendor. Both are different vendor. So in this case, this data never receive on PC2. So this one is problem. So that is the reason, because we are not communicating. Each device is a different vendors. So in 90s, one organization will develop OSI model. Organization name is ISO. ISO means International standard of organization. Which one, dear? Standard of organization. ISO introduce OSI model. Which one, dear? OSI model. ISO introduce OSI model in 1979. Clear? In 1979, this feature will be developed, but till go to 1984, we are getting some changes, upgradable. And why we use OSI model? Basically, OSI means open system connection. Shall if you write down in class time, so it's not a good idea. You can receive the video, so you can make notes after the session. Okay, just focus the class. OSI means open system connection, and model means it's a logical. Which one, dear? It's a logical. So if you are getting a logical, so that means it's possible to verify on your device. No. One more thing. OSI model help to communicate different vendor devices. Why we use OSI model, dear? To communicate two different vendor devices if you're having. Now one more thing. In OSI model, we are getting layers. Which one information, dear? Layer. Layer means we are getting layer number 7. We are getting layer number 6. We are getting a layer number 5. We are getting a layer number is 4. We are getting a layer number is 3. We are getting a layer number is 2. We are getting a layer number is, which one, dear? 1. So which one is layers available? Which type of layers available in OSI model? Layer 7 name is, read the name, dear. Which one name? Application layer. Layer 6 means presentation layer. Okay. Layer 5 means session layer. Layer 4 means transport layer. Layer 3 means network layer. Layer 2 means data link layer. Or layer 1 name is physical layer. So can you hear me? Sure. Now verify which one is layer 7. Dear, layer 7 name is, any idea?
Application layer.
Yes. This layers a short form also available. Short form. This layers, if you need to remember, we are getting a short form. Application means you can say all. Presentation means all peoples. As me, a session layer means seams. Transport means to. And network means need. This one is short form data. And this one is forwarding. So if you remember the layers, so how to remember? Read the lines. All people seems to need data processing. Forwarding, not forwarding, you can say processing. So every word, a first letter represent the layers. Can you please verify, June? This thing is clear?
Yes.
Now
all people
seems
to need
data
processing.
Yeah, it's a short form to remember the layers. Clear? Now,
very nice.
Now, if someone asking this OSI layers how to work. How to work. So it's a very simple. For example, if you're having this PC, and this PC username is Bob. This side we are getting one more PC, and this username is which one, dear? This username is Sam, and both are connected with a cable. So this one is wired connection or wireless? Dear, it's a wired connection or wireless?
Wired connection.
Yeah, it's a wired. Very good. Now, I'm saying a Bob say, brother, I want to send data. So Bob say, I'm sitting on which one side? From sender. And Sam say, brother, I'm receiving your data. So Sam say, I'm sitting on which one side? From a receiver. So if someone say this OSI model, how to remember which one layer is first coming for sender case, which one layer is coming for receiver case. So this one is very important. Depends on your data traffic flow. So if I'm saying, Shun, Bob say, brother, I want to generate some data. Which one person say? Bob say, I want to generate some data via my PC, laptops. So Bob say, I'm using first which one layer, dear? Which one layer I'm using first? Application. This application means we are, for example, if I'm using Notepad, so Notepad also write down APP. You can verify. This one is APP. That means application. If I'm using calculator, so calculator also called which one? Application. So basically, application will help to generate which one traffic, dear? Which one traffic? Data. Now, Bob say, okay, application layer help from sender side. Which one is my first layer? Application is my first layer from sender side. Bob say now, next thing. Bob say this data will be generated now. Bob say next layer is which one? Next layer is which one? Presentation. Presentation. Why we use? For example, inside data, I am sending hello message from WhatsApp. So this hello message Sam receives. So Sam receives the data and Sam say, I'm receiving audio file, I'm receiving a text file, I'm receiving a JPG file. Which one file receives Sam? Any idea? Which one file receives?
Text.
Text. Because Bob sending hello in text, so Sam also receive in text. So why we use presentation layer? Presentation layer say I am a responsible. Which one person? Responsible. For which one case? Data types. Okay. Now next layer. Next layer is after presentation. We are getting a which one layer? Which one layer? Session layer.
Session.
If Bob want to send through a WhatsApp application this hello message from Bob to Sam side, so we are getting a mobile internet connection. Yes or no? If mobile internet connection is on Bob's side, so Bob possible to send data or not possible? Please tell me. If Bob say my mobile data is on, so possible to send hello message Sam side, but Sam say mobile data is my side, mobile data is on. So Sam possible to receive the data traffic there? No, because Bob say I'm sending because mobile data is on, but Sam say my mobile data is off, so not possible to receive your hello message on my WhatsApp. Clear? So in this case, why we use session layer? Session layer help to check which one information here, which one information. Read the line. Connection. It's a up, it's a down. Now, next layer is which one? Next layer name. Hold on. Yeah, I will do change something. Hold. Next layer is it's visible now. This color transport. Why we use transport? This transport say I'm having two brothers. One is reliable and other one is dear unreliable. Dear, are you using net banking? Any idea? Are you using net banking right now for money transfer? Are you using any net banking application? Yeah, that's very good. Okay. If I'm asking one thing from your side, whenever you are doing a transaction, if you are sending amount from your device to another person, your relative or your brother, sister, anyone. So if you are sending money, so you are receiving the message from bank, yes or no? You are receiving the message. Why you are receiving this message? This message will inform your account will be credit or debit the amount. Yes or no? So that means if you are sending money, so this connection is trustworthy or not? It's a trustworthy. If I am sending money, so I am receiving credit debit message. Yes or no? Now, if I'm asking one thing, if your PC on your PC, if you're watching a FIFA, I know you are already watching. If you're watching a FIFA or you are receiving the streaming, you are receiving the streaming. Are you sending any message? I am receiving your streaming. Are you sending any message? No. The streaming is only provide one communication. Yes or no? Only one side communication. So in this case, streaming is reliable or unreliable? Streaming. Streaming person ask you, are you watching or not watching? So streaming person never asks these things. So that means we are calling unreliable. Unreliable means I am sending data, but I am not waiting for response from your side. Are you receive or not receive? But if I am using reliable person, that means if I am sending this hello message, so we are receiving single tick. Single tick means in WhatsApp. Single tick means any idea?
Yes, single tick means you just send, but the person haven't received.
Only sending. If you are
Sending.
receiving two ticks, that means delivered. If you are getting two ticks with which color, dear? Blue color. That means read. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Single tick means are you sending? Double tick means person is delivered this message, and blue color tick means person is seen your message. So same case. In transport layer, we are using a which one person? Reliable. Reliable, what will we do? Whenever we are sending this data, I am waiting from same side must be send me a reply. I am received or not received. And also send one more message. Which one? Acknowledge. Acknowledge means reply means data successfully received. I am received. And acknowledge means you need to define how much size data you are receiving. Which one, dear? How much size data are you receiving? This thing is clear. Now next thing. Which one is next layer, dear? Any idea after transport? Which one layer we are getting? Network. Network layer will add IP. IP means internet protocol. Internet protocol, if you're not interested for this one, so you need to remember this one person. EID. EID means electronic ID on your devices. If you're having a mobile phone here, so you are getting a SIM now. You know SIM. SIM means
yes.
Your mobile SIM number, mobile number. We are getting from vendors. So basically, same thing in network. If you are using a PC, laptop, mobile, so we are getting an IP addresses. Which one address here? IP address. This IP address will be add with your data. Which one is source IP? Which one is your destination IP? Must be added. Done. Now next thing. Next layer is, I think you already know which one, dear? Data link. Okay. Sure. Can you please explain me one thing? If you're having a mobile phone, dear, if you're having mobile phone, you're having a mobile phone, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. In your mobile phone, you know, one number is available. It's called IMEI number. You know this. This number should be unique or same for all devices.
Yeah.
This number is unique or same?
This number is unique to
every
the
device.
mobile phone.
Yes,
mobile
to find out your mobile phone. Yes or no?
Yes.
So same thing. Same thing. Whenever you are purchasing a PC, router, switch, firewall, any other device, access points, IP phone. So we are getting one address. Which address we are getting? We are calling hardware address. Or you can say this one name also, one more name available. Which one, dear?
MAC address.
MAC address. So data link layer will be responsible with your data add source MAC, and which one MAC, dear? Destination. So data link responsible to add which one information? MAC address. Now next layer. Next layer, I will ask with you one task on physical. On physical layer, we are getting machine readable language. Which one language here? Machine readable. Because this hello is human readable or machine readable? Please tell me.
Human readable.
Human readable. So physical layer responsible to convert your data from human readable language to machine readable.
Machine readable.
Or you can say machine readable means 0, 1, 0. Clear? So if I am saying, if you are sitting on sender side, so which one is your first layer, dear? Which one is your first layer?
Sender side would be
application.
Application layer.
Application, because you are sending some data via application. Now, if you are sitting on which one side, dear? Receiver. Receiver means this data we are receiving on wire. Sometimes we are receiving this data in my Wi-Fi also, wireless adapter. So first layer is receiver side is which one? Which one layer is first? Physical. Because data received, if you are receiving a call from your friend, so first call will be transfer on company, then company will transmit on towers. You are having some towers in your areas, city. So tower will identify which mobile number this call must be received. So you can easily receive. So physical layer is my first layer if I want to receive some data, or wired or wireless. Clear? So physical layer, which type of data we are receiving? Which type of data? We are receiving data into which one language? 0.
Machine readable language.
Yeah, very good. Then physical layer 2. Then next layer is which one? Which one? Data link. On data link, we are receiving which one information, dear? Source MAC. And which one MAC address, dear? Destination. Which one is sender? Which one is receiver? Hardware information. Then we are reaching on next layer. Which one? Which one layer? Network. On network layer, can you please tell me which type of data we are receiving? Any idea?
But network layer, we're receiving the
which one information? IP. Which one?
Oh, IP.
IP.
IP address.
Which one IP? Source and destination. Then data will be transferred on which one layer? Transport. On transport layer, how many percent we are using? 2%. Reliable or unreliable? Depends on your data traffic. Which type of data traffic you want to send. Clear? So if I'm using reliable, so it must be sent back. Which one messages? Must be sent back. Which one message? Reply and acknowledge. Then after transport layer, which one is my layer? Which one is my layer? Next layer?
Yeah.
Session. If you want to send your data reply, if you want to send reply, connection must be up. Connectivity, connection must be up while data must be on. Then next layer is which one? After session, presentation. Presentation layer will be identify the data type. Which type of data are you receiving? It's a text, audio, video, JPEG file. Clear? Any Excel, PDF. Then after presentation layer, we reach on which one layer? Which layer, dear?
Application.
So this data will be visible on my which one layer? Application. Any issue, dear?
No. What I noticed is from the sender, it starts with an application presentation section.
Because
the receiver is just the reverse of that.
Yes, it's a mechanism. If someone asking in interviews, if someone want to troubleshoot any issue, So how to troubleshoot? If you are sitting on sender side, so must be check layer wise. Yes or no? Application is working. Okay. Connectivity is available. Okay. Data will be generated. Yes. Okay. Via which one method we are sending, reliable or unreliable? Okay. After then check the IP is available on device to send data. Okay. If IP is available, so MAC is available. Yes. Then verify physical layer. Okay. Your computer is connected with some application. So application is responsible in backend to convert human to machine readable. So if you are sitting on sender side, so which one is my first layer?
Your first layer on sender side is application.
Okay. Or receiver side?
Physical.
Yeah, very good. If someone asking, can you please explain me if I want to receive your data? So which one is my first layer?
Physical.
Physical. Very good. It's clear. Any doubt for this session?
No, this is good.
Okay, just go through this video and from tomorrow we start application, presentation, session, transport, network, data, physical, in-depth information, deep level. Okay?
Okay, good.
Because OSI model will take 3 sessions minimum. Okay, so today we discuss only intro part about OSI, why we use and how to use and which type of information available. Okay?
Okay. All right.
Can you please tell me your name? Any nickname available?
Yeah, so you can put it's Sheldon.
Sheldon.
Yes.
Okay, no worry. That's a good name.
Yes. And my next name, my title is Chuni Singh.
Okay, it's a title. From your father, you are getting this one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no worry. We meet again and discuss OSI model. Okay, go through this video and this today lecture and this today lecture PNG file. This file you can receive on your Google Drive. Okay.
Okay.
If you have So basically, OSI models having some layers, yes or no? So basically, we are getting a layer 7, layer 6, layer 5, layer 4, layer 3, layer 2, layer 1. This one is application, presentation, session, transport, network, data, and which one, dear? Physical. But we start from which one theory? First we learn application, then second present, then session, then transport, then network, then data, then physical. Can you please explain me? We are learning from sender side or receiver side?
We are learning from sender side.
Oh, very good, very good. So right now, first theory you need to remember. I just need to remove this one now. So my first layer is layer 7 and name is application layer. If someone asking why we use application, so only short theory you need to remember for this layer. Which one? It will be responsible to generate a data traffic from a different types of applications. Clear? So why we use application layer, Sheldon? To generate your data traffic. Clear? One more thing. Applications use to access which one informations, dear? Services. So with the help of application, we are accessing services. This thing is clear? Now,
Yes.
one more thing. So how many types of service we are using and how many types application available? For example, if this one having a device and device name is personal computer and this personal computer trying to access internet services. Which one services, Sheldon? Internet services. So this PC possible to access internet services with different application. For example, if I'm using a Chrome browser, if I'm using Firefox browser, if I'm using a WhatsApp, yes or no? WhatsApp also provide internet access. So basically, we are getting a multiple applications. So application is multiple, but purpose of application to generate your data and use to access services. So how many type services we discuss? Basically, we are getting a 4 types of services commonly, and everyone use this service day by day. Every day we are using it. Which one is first service? First service name is HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and DNS. How many services, Sheldon?
4 services.
So, how many?
4.
4 services we are using, and this 4 services everyone use in real time, day-to-day work. Yeah, everyone in mobile phone, laptop, PC, tablets, everyone use. Now, if you want to learn OSI model, so must be clear one image. This diagram help to learn OSI model. This diagram. We are getting a user or device, you can say, and this user connected with which one side, dear? Modem. You know, a modem means access point to provide internet, and modem connected with which one side, Sheldon? This one is which one side? ISP. ISP means, dear? ISP means any idea? ISP.
Is service provider.
Internet service provider.
Service provider.
Okay. So basically, this user say, brother, I want to generate some data traffic. So I'm saying you have multiple applications. So this user say, if I'm using which one application, dear? G.C. That means which one? Google Chrome. And this user say, I'm accessing which one tab number? I'm opening tab number 1. And this user will put, I want to reach this website. The website name is CCNA and then enter. That condition, this user say, with the help of Google Chrome, I am generating data. And this data user forward on modem and modem forward on ISP. So ISP say, okay, if someone want to access CCNA, okay. Now ISP send back which one message? Reply, modem. And modem get reply, then forward user. And user forward on which one side, dear? Google Chrome application. And this application show on tab number 1, we are accessing this website. Which one website, Sheldon? HTTP colon, this dots call colon //ccna.com. So we are accessing which one website, dear? ccna.com. But can you please verify which service we are using? Which service? HTTP. So HTTP means it's a hyper text transfer protocol. This thing is clear. Why we use? It is used to provide a web services. Which one service, dear? Web services on your server. Okay, one more thing. In this service, data send, receive into which one format, dear? Read the format, Sheldon. Which one format data send and receive? Plain text. Plain text means visible. This service never done encryption. Clear? One more thing. In between client and server. For example, this user act as a client and this website server, this website machine act as a server. In between client and server, connection not secure. Connection is not secure. This thing is clear. One more thing. This service use a port number. Port number is like a roll number in schools. We are getting a unique now, same as it is. So port number is which one, dear? Sheldon, which one port number we are using, dear? Verify.
Port number 80. Yeah.
80. For which one service? HTTP.
For HTTP.
Okay. If you are getting this website, so this user say I'm having a login detail, and this website say please log in with your username and password. Okay. This user say okay, I have. This user say I'm an admin, and my password is 1234. This user will put and again send data, but this data are carrying this login detail. Clear? Complete. Website and credentials inside this data, and this data forward on modem, and modem forwarding on ISP. But someone connected with this modem this side, and this one is which one device, dear? Which one device? Attacker. This attacker capture your data traffic on link, capture and verifying. In this capturing data, website is CCNA.com and credential is username is and password we are getting. This attacker say username is admin, password is 1234. Why it is visible? Why we are getting this attacker visible, this username and password? Because HTTP use which one format, data forwarding or receiving? Which one matter?
Plain text.
Plain text. That is the reason. So this service never suggests in anyone in production network. Clear? If you are logging with someone's website and website showing HTTP, so it's an authorized website here. No. Data can be steal or sniff. Data can be steal or sniff. That is the reason. In real time, if you are accessing a HTTP service, so we are getting issues. Okay? This thing is clear? Now, next point. Next point is same design we need to create. Which one persons we need to add? User, and then user connected with which one device, dear? Modem. And modem connected, Sheldon, which one device? Device is which one? ISP. Very good.
ISP, sorry. Yeah.
Okay. This user say, brother, I want to generate again data via which one application? Google Chrome. And now this user open tab number is next 2. In this tab number 2, this user will put, I want to jump CCNP website. I want to access, and then enter. Now, after enter CCNP, this user say, I'm generating again, which one traffic, dear? Data traffic. And this data traffic will forward on which one side? Modem. And modem forward on ISP. This ISP say, brother, I am sending reply. Modem and modem forwarding on user and user showing on this application. And this application tab number 2, we are getting a website information. Which one? https://ccnp.com. Now, in this case, can you please verify which one service we are accessing right now? HTTP or HTTP?
See, this is internet.
HTTPS. Clear? Which one? HTTPS. HTTPS means, again, verify the short theory about HTTPS. HTTPS means hyper text transfer protocol. Same But
Okay.
why we use S means a secure. How to secure? It is used, why we use this service? It is used to access web services. Which one service, dear? Web services. This service data send, receive. Which one for format, dear? Encoded. Which one? Encoded. One more thing. This service use encryption. This service secure connection in between client and server via some sort of certificates. Okay. Now one more thing. One more thing is in this service, data encrypt before sending over the internet. This thing is clear, Sheldon? Sheldon?
Yes.
Now, one more thing. It is used a port number 44. Which one?
443.
It's identical number. And HTTP having a which one port number here?
4880. Yeah.
80. Very good. Now, first thing you need to learn what is the meaning of encode. Okay. First word essence. Encode is mechanism to convert data from human readable to which one readable, dear?
Human readable.
Machine readable. Okay. This one is encode theory. One more thing. Decode is mechanism to convert which one data? Convert data from
Machine.
Yeah, very good. Machine to
Human readable.
human readable. It's easy. Okay. Now one more thing. This both mechanism use some algorithms. Which one, dear? Algorithms. Which type of algorithm? We are using a two types of algorithm. One is ASCII. ASCII means American Standard Code of Information Interchange. What is the full form of ASCII? American Standard Code of Information Interchange. Okay. It's a 1 byte algorithm. How many size of algorithm, dear? Sheldon? 1 byte of algorithm. Only support English language to do encode and decode. If you are speaking French, so this algorithm possible to convert? No, because it support only ASCII. So developer never use this one algorithm to encode or decode. We are getting one more algorithm. This algorithm name is, read the name. Which one, dear? Which one?
UTF.
UTF means it's a 2 byte algorithm, or you can say 4 byte also. But this algorithm support multiple language. Which one language here? Multiple language. English, Chinese, Japanese, Arabic, Hebrew, French, anyone support. And plus one more thing you need to remember. This algorithm support emojis. You know what is the meaning of emojis in WhatsApp?
Yes.
This one.
Correct.
It is possible to convert human to machine and machine to human. So encode clear, encode decode mechanism. Now, next thing is, what is the meaning of certificate? Because client and server secure this connection. So what is the meaning of certificate? First, certificate means it's a key to define, make encryption or decryption data. Clear? Now one more thing. Provided by locally or which one, dear? Globally, both. Now one more thing. Certificate types available. We are getting a two types of most popular certificate. One is TLS and other one is SSL. Which one certificate, dear?
TLS and SSL.
TLS or SSL. Okay. It's used 128-bit encryption. How many bits encryption use? 128-bit. If you write A, so this A convert into how many characters? 128 characters. One more thing. SSL. It's used how many bits encryption? Verify.
256.
256. If you write down A, so possible to convert how many characters?
256.
Yeah, it's a very difficult to crack the code. Yes or no? That is the reason we are using. Now, go to your diagram, this one. And this website will say, please log in with your credentials. So user say, I'm having my username, I'm having my password. Yes or no? Now, this user say my username is admin, my password is 1234, and this detail add website plus credential, and user send this data modem to going ISP. But in between user or ISP, modem connected with one more device, and this person name is which one, dear? Attacker. This attacker capture your data. You don't have any feature to stop capturing. Okay, you don't have any application, you don't have any method on wire you can capture any data. Now, so this attacker capture and say, now I am getting a website information. Website is ccnp.com. But this one is which one website? HTTPS. And this one is user and this one is password. Now this attacker verify. Now I am getting a username. And I am getting now a password. So can you please verify this data can be readable? Plain text or encrypted? This data plain text or encrypted? Sheldon?
This data is encrypted.
Encrypted. So which one website you can access? HTTP is better or HTTPS? Which one is secure?
HTTPS.
Yeah, now you are getting some points. Now go to next service. Next service is FTP. This one is user. Again, create diagram. This one is modem. Modem connected with which one device?
ISP.
Oh, very good. It's a normal network design. This user say, I want to access some services. So this one is open Google Chrome, and now we reach on which one tab number?
3.
Very good. Now in tab number 3, this user will do same as it is. You also do these things in office, home, anywhere you do these things every time. Free, antivirus, down. So everyone do these things, yes or no? And then enter. So that means this user generate which one traffic, dear? Data. This data modem to ISP. Now ISP receive, ISP say, okay, this person want to download. So ISP say, you are accessing which one service? FTP. FTP means which one protocol? Read the protocol name, dear. Which one? Sheldon, read the protocol full form.
FTP.
Full form is
File transfer protocol.
Oh, very good. Why we use? It is used to do which one purpose? Download, and which one task, dear? Upload. It's available locally or publicly or globally, you can say both. One more thing. It is used a port number. So can you please tell me HTTPS port number is how many? HTTPS.
It's 4
443.
443. Yeah, 443.
Yeah. And HTTP?
What?
80. But FTP use 2 ports number, 20 and which one, dear? 21. Why we use 2 port number? 20 number port. This port help to make a tunnel. Or in books we are getting which one name? This tunnel name is transport channel. Which one, dear? Transport channel. And why we use 21? It is used to do download, and which one task, dear? Shall upload. Okay. After entering this website information, so we are accessing, for example, this one website. This one is website we are getting open in my browser, and in this website we are getting option. Which one option available? Which one option is available?
Download.
Download button. In this download button, if you click, then you are getting option APK file, exe file, or DMG. This one for Android phones, yes or no? This one for Microsoft. This one for Apple iOS. Which one, dear? Apple iOS. Now, in this, if we click in this button, so we are downloading. But if I'm asking Sheldon one question, any possibility available to upload data on this website? Any possibility available, Sheldon?
Yes.
Huh? On this website, any option available to upload your data?
No, sorry, no.
We are not getting. Why? Because developer fixed 2 rules. First and second. If trying to, which one task, dear? Download. If trying to, which one task? Upload. If you're trying to do a download, then allow. If you're trying to do upload, then dear, block, or you can say deny. This thing is clear?
Yeah.
On Google Drive, we are getting upload download button. Yes or no?
Yes.
But if you reach on our website, if you reach any other website, so we are getting only download option sometimes. We are not getting, but some site available, upload your resume, upload your file. But if you are getting only download button, that means upload feature is blocked by developer plus network engineers. Now, one more service is remaining. This service, before doing any lab, must be clear the theoretical first. Any idea what is the meaning of DNS, Sheldon? Any idea about
Um.
why we use anything you can say, anything? No issue, no need to reply books theory. You can say in your own words. What is the meaning of DNS in your case?
Well, basically, I understand that DNS is what is a destination.
No worry, no worry. Now you need to clear this one. Okay. DNS means domain name system. Clear? It is used to resolve name to IP address. For example, Sheldon, if I want to find you on social media, so how to find out? How many we are available to find out? Multiple, but we are saying if I know your mail ID, so it's possible to find out, that means name. If I am having your mobile number, so it's also getting a possibility via number to name. Yes or no? If you are using a Truecaller, Truecaller is application to find out the numbers, which one person calling for me. Yes or no? I identify a person. Truecaller is an app to identify any number, which one person is calling me. Okay. So same case in DNS. DNS why we use to resolve name to IP. I know the Sheldon, but I don't have any mobile number. So how to find out? Via Facebook, I will write down your name and I'm getting your mobile number, contact information, mail ID, photos, anything. Yes or no? But in my case, if I want to reach CCNA, so we are getting a website now, ccna.com. So how to resolve these things? DNS will help because I know the name, but I don't have any IP because servers available on IP now, end of the day. So that is the reason. Now, one more thing. DNS servers available locally or sometimes. Which one, dear? Locally and sometimes publicly. Okay. If you ping this address 8.8.8, read the theory. 8.8 means read this theory. This one 8.8 is the primary DNS server for Google. So if you want to find, if you need to find out any other, so you just need to click on Google and then write down the name and you can find out. So Google having a DNS server. If you find out if you're trying to do searching, so Google will store your information. And next time, if you enter, then automatically you are getting. So that is the case. Google having a multiple records, so you can immediately get a replies via which one server? A public DNS, because Google available publicly. Now you can access via mobile phone data. You can access via laptop. That is the reason. Now one more thing. DNS. DNS use a port number. Which one port number, dear? 53. DNS having some messages. Which one messages? 1, 2, 3 types. First message name is DNS query message, DNS reply message, and third is DNS query not reply message. So how many messages available? Sheldon, verify.
Three messages. Three.
This three message we are getting issues in production network or real time also. If you remember some old memories, if you going a cyber cafe, you know cyber cafe, why we use cyber cafe?
Yeah.
To serve internet services on the basis of some amounts. Yes or no? So that is the reason we are calling a cyber cafe. We can get easily access. In old school, we are using na to play game. Yes or no? Something. Same case. Now, for example, if we are getting a design, this one is design, this one is side, we are getting a user, and this user connected with which one device here? Modem, and modem connected with which one device?
ISP.
ISP. Now, this ISP say I'm having a local DNS. Sheldon, are you working as an not working right now?
Repeat that.
Yeah, are you working? Any profile? Are you working right now?
No. But yes, I have my own company.
Work from home. Okay. For example, Sheldon, if you go to office and trying to access via your office laptop, facebook.com, so it's possible to access. Sometimes no. Some website is not accessible in your office. How it possible? So locally, DNS server will created by as a network engineers. Why? For example, this ISP say I'm having my local DNS. So I'm having my DNS server, and this DNS server having some IPs, some website name, some services, and also defined by a port number. For example, I'm having IP is 1.1.1.1 for example only, and this website name is CCNA. If someone sending query to get IP CCNA, so 1.1 I will provide. Services, which one service we are using? HTTP, and port number is HTTP 18. We are getting 2.2.2. This one is only example. CCNP. Services HTTPS, and port number is 443. 3.3.3.3. We are saying our website, and we are using FTP, and port number is we are defining only 21 because this port number had to make upload download process. 20 is only transport channel port number, so never define anywhere. Yeah. Now, if this user say I'm trying to access some websites, this user open Google Chrome and tab number is 4, and this user say I want to access CCNA. So basically this ISP will provide this DNS server IP. This DNS server IP is, for example, 10.10.10.10, and this IP ISP engineers configure on modem. So whenever modem receive any DNS message, so forward on which one IP dear? 10.10.10. This user say I want to access CCNA website. So this user will generate data. In this data, user say I'm sending query, and my query is I'm sending query message. In my query message, question is who is CCNA? Please answer me in IP. What is the IP of CCNA website server? And this query forward on modem to ISP. ISP whenever receive, ISP find out in DNS server any website available with CCNA name. Can you please find out any website available with CCNA name? Sheldon?
Right.
Yes, this one. And this one is IP. So ISP send back which one? Data again. and ISP say, brother, I am sending DNS query. Which one message? Reply message. In reply message, ISP say, I am sending, your question is who is CCNA? I am sending answer 1.1.1.1 is IP. And this query receive on modem to user, and user showing on Google Chrome. And this Chrome will show http://ccna.com. That is the reason we are getting complete website. And backend we are doing this process. But for example, this user say, now I am again access Google Chrome. Tab number is 5. I want to access CCI website. And then again generate which one traffic shelled on? Data. And which one message we are sending? Query. Inside query, question is who is CCI? And answer me the IP. So this query user to modem say, okay, if you're sending any query, so DNS server IP is available 10.10 forward on ISP. ISP receive, ISP forward this DNS. Can you please verify Sheldon? Any website available with CCI name? Verify?
No.
No. So in this case, if your website is not found on ISP, so this ISP send back one more message. ISP say I am sending data, but in data, ISP say I am sending DNS query, not resolved. And whenever this query, DNS query not resolved message user receive, user shows on this tab number 5, this message. You also receive this message in your time. Read the message, Sheldon. Read the message.
This site cannot be reached.
Can't be
reachable.
So this message are you receiving in your time? Sometimes you are receiving. So what is the issue? What is the issue? DNS server
Yes.
have any information?
Yes
or no? Okay. Today's session one, you need to go through this video. I will upload immediate and you can receive the drive link access. Okay. So Sheldon, last time we done application layer. Yes or no, dear? Now today we need to discuss about the next layer. Name is which one layer, dear?
Presentation
layer. Okay. In application layer, user will generate data with the help of different application and services. Why we use presentation layer? Basically, it will be responsible to represent a data from a source to destination. Clear? One more thing. In this layer, data encode and decode also. Clear? One more thing. In this layer, data compression and decompression task also perform. Okay, this thing is clear now. First thing, how many types are data types? Data types we need to discuss. Basically, we are getting 4 types of data. It's a mandatory. First is which one, dear? Text. Second is JPEG. Third is MP3. Fourth is which one?
MP4.
MP4. Very good. Now one more thing. And now one more thing. For example, if we are getting this side, a username is Bob, and this side, a username is Sam. Both are connected, and now Bob say, brother, I want to send some data. Bob generates some data, and inside data, Bob say, I want to send which one message here? Hello. And this hello message want to send Sam side. Whenever Sam receive your data, so Sam will receive inside the data, which type of data? Text, MP3, MP4, or any JPEG file. Which one data type will receive? Sam.
I believe text.
Text basically represent via presentation layer. So we are receiving as it is text data. Clear? Now one more thing. For example, if Bob say, I want to send again data, but inside data, I am sending some audio file. And this audio file Sam will receive. Whenever Sam receive your data, so Sam receive inside data, which one data types? Text, MP3, MP4 or JPEG? Which one?
Most likely MP3.
MP3, very good. That means same as it is. So this one is also responsible by presentation layer. Now one more thing. For example, Bob say, brother, I'm using WhatsApp application. And this WhatsApp application, I just need to send some data. And inside data, I am sending which one file? JPEG file. And Bob say, I'm sending my picture with the pixel of picture 1024768 pixel. Clear? And size of my file is how many? File size is how many MB? 10 MB. So Bob sent via WhatsApp. So basically Bob say this data I just need to send. But if you are doing a sending process, actually application will do first task. Which one? Upload this file. Which one server, dear? Which one server? WhatsApp.
WhatsApp
Server. Whenever WhatsApp database server receive any JPEG file, so WhatsApp database will do in uploading time, which one task? Compression. And whenever Sam receive this file, so we are doing which one task in backend? Download. Download means this user will doing which one task?
Decompress.
Okay. Why WhatsApp database server will do compression and decompression tasks? Basically, end of the day, if all user, million of users sending JPEG file, so WhatsApp database server storage will get full na, after some times.
Right.
Reason WhatsApp developer will fix this task, and whenever Sam receive this data, Sam say, okay, I'm receive your data. Inside data JPEG file, but file size is a 640/768 a pixel, and file size is only how many MB? 1 MB. So can you please verify? Bob sent 10 MB file, but Sam received 1 MB. So we are receiving actual image or compressed image? Which one?
Compressed image.
We are receiving compressed image. Very good. So this task only performed by which applications? Which application if someone asking?
This is a
free applications. Which one? Free applications will perform this task. If you are having a Google Drive, for example, if you are having a Google Drive, so Google Drive will get a 15 GB storage free now. So if you are getting a limit of amount of data, so we are doing compression and decompression? No. But if you are not getting any limitation, then free application will perform which one task? Always compression and decompression. Now next thing. After presentation layer, we reach on next layer. Next layer name is
session.
Session layer. Why we use session layer? it will be responsible to do initiate, maintain session and delete session. Clear? One more thing. In this layer, devices use a port number table to do this task, session task. Clear? One more thing. In this layer, devices also get connectivity information. Which one information? Hold on. Connectivity information. It's a online or offline. You can say person is online or offline. Internet connection is available or not available. This thing is clear now.
Yes.
So basically, last time we discussed HTTP use a port number 80, HTTPS use a 443, DNS use 21, DNS use 53, FTP use 20 and 21. So basically, what is the meaning of port number? So first we need to clear the port number theory. Okay, port number theory. Then we start the session layer work. So clear the port number theory first. Why we call a port number? It's a unique identity in a network to define a protocols and which one information, dear? Services. One more thing. Port number available in numerical values. Which one values, dear? Numerical values. One more thing. Port number size, total port number size, 16-bit, or you can say how many bytes, dear? 2 byte. In a 1 byte, how many bits available, Sheldon? 8 bits. Now one more thing. If we are using a formula 2 power 16, so we are getting 65536, but port number a range start from 1 to 65535. And one more thing, port number divided into 2 types. How many types port number available, dear? How many types port? 2 types port number available.
No.
One more thing. First port number we are calling a reserve port number. And second call, which one, dear? Unreserved port number. So what is the difference in between reserved or unreserved? So one by one we clear. This side we write down reserve port number theory. First, it is used by a predefined protocols and services. Clear? One more thing. It's also known as a, which one port number? Well-known port number. And one more thing, range available, this ports number 1 to how many, dear? 1 to how many?
One to
1 to 1024.
mm,
And now one more thing. Second port number is unreserved port number. Unreserved port number means this port number used by a users. Which one person? Users. Whenever users have a multiple resources, or you can say application to reach internet services. Clear? So Sheldon, if I'm saying if you want to reach a google.com, so you have only single browser or multiple browser? If you want to reach google.com website, so you have single browser or multiple browser to reach?
oh, single browser.
Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Safari, multiple browser, na brother. So you can reach easily google.com from any browser. So we are using this port number whenever we are having a multiple resources to reach internet service. Second thing, it's also known as a which one port number? Random port number. Very good. It's a range available 1025 to 65535. Done. Now next thing. So we are using a small diagram. Last time this diagram we are also using. So this side we are getting a user connected with which one device, dear? A modem. And modem connected with which one side? ISP, internet service provider. Now this user say I want to reach google.com or any other website. So how to reach? This user will use a session layer, and this user also maintains separately port number table. So this user say I'm having a port number, a table. In port number table, this user having a tab number. This one is not actual, only for example. Then we are getting source port number information. Then we are getting destination port number. Then we are getting which one information, dear? Services. Which type of service? So this user say, brother, I want to reach a website. So this user open Google Chrome, and Google Chrome, this user open a tab number 1 and then enter, I want to reach CCNA. And after enter, this user will generate some data. This user will say, I will generate data. Inside data, this user will add source port and destination port. Last time in application layer, a CCNA website use a which one port number? HTTP service. That means HTTP service means 80 number. So source application is different, this user, and tab also different. So this user says source port number I'm using 1025 random, but destination is my well-known 80. And this task, this user say I'm doing initialize, and this data traffic hand over a modem. Modem will receive and modem check this user want to reach 80. So forward on ISP. ISP receive and ISP say, okay, this user want to reach HTTP service website. ISP send back reply. Whenever ISP send back reply, so ISP say, brother, I'm providing the service, source port and destination. ISP say, brother, I'm providing the service of which one? 80 number. For which tab? Tab number 1. Tab number 1 use 1025 port number. And this data modem receive and modem forward on user, and user verify 1025 port number will be used by tab number 1 in Google Chrome. Clear? And this user will do maintain this session. After maintain this session, this user will get maintain this session. After maintain this session, this tab number is 1. Source port is 1025. Destination port number 80. And which service we are using here? 80 means HTTP. So this user easily maintain the session after initiate. And now, if this user again open next tab, for example, this user say, I just need a one more tab, tab number 2, and this user will write down CCNP and then enter. Then after enter, this user will say, okay, this user say a source port number. This user will verify one thing. This user will generate again data. In data, this user add a source port and destination port. Right now, last time this user say on tab number 1, I'm using 1025 random port number. But now I'm using next source port number is 1026 and destination port is CCNP means I'm using HTTPS service. That means a 443, and this user will say I will do initiate task. And this data traffic received by a user to modem. Whenever modem receive, modem verify HTTPS, forward on ISP. ISP receive and ISP verify. Okay, this user want to reach HTTPS. So HTTPS means this ISP will provide the web service and send back a reply. Whenever ISP send back reply, so ISP say, I'm sending reply a source port and destination port. So ISP providing a which one service, Sheldon? HTTP service or HTTPS service? Any idea?
HTTPS service.
HTTPS, very good. So source port number is which service ISP will add? 443. Yes or no? Yeah. And ISP say 443, I am providing the service. And which tab this data will receive? The tab number 2. And tab number 2 use a port number is 1026. And data will user receive and user will do, okay, I maintain this session. After maintain tab number 2, source is 1026, 443 and service is HTTPS. Clear? Now, after sometimes, if I'm close this tab number 1. So this session will be deleted from my port number table. And this user open tab number 3 and say, I want to download some Avast antivirus and then enter. So that means this user generate again data, and data will add which one information? Source port and destination. So can you please verify, Sheldon, a source port number we are using which one in this data? Whenever I want to reach Avast website, so source port is which one?
Source port
Random. Source port is random port number series, but right now last time we done 1025, 1026. So next port number is which one?
1027.
27, because random port number series is 1025265535. If you start from this port, so till go to this one, we are not getting a same port number. After recycle, then again we are getting. Clear?
Okay.
So destination port is 21. This data modem will receive, modem forward ISP. ISP send back reply. ISP say I am sending the reply, I am sending data, and data will add a source port and destination. So ISP providing a right now which one service? HTTP, HTTPS or FTP? 21 means FTP. So ISP say my source port is 21. And which tab this data will receive? 1027. And yeah, tab number 3, source is 1021 and FTP. Clear? So session layer will help to separate your data on your browser, on your application. Sometimes if you open multiple tabs, Sheldon, for example, this one is my browser. For example, if I'm open google.com, okay, and next tab, if I'm open JNtech Networks website, for example, JNtechNetworks.com website, okay, and next tab, I'm open youtube.com. Clear? So I'm using multiple tabs in my browser. Yes or no? Verify. Multiple tabs I'm open. Multiple. If I'm open this channel. So right now verified. Multiple tabs available. Multiple tabs available. But right now, sometimes this thing will be happen. A Google, if YouTube messages or YouTube videos can we see on this tab? Any possibility available? This YouTube tab videos can possible to view on this second tab. Any possibility available? No, because every tab a separately maintained separate session. Clear? Every tab separately maintained separate sessions. This thing is clear. So session layer will help to maintain separate sessions with the help of which one number, dear? A port and numbers. Any doubt, Sheldon?
Right.
This thing is clear. Two layers clear. Presentation and which one, dear?
Session.
Okay. Sheldon, go through this small video because transport layer will take 45 minutes session minimum. Clear?
Okay.
Go through this video and we meet again Monday, same time, 2:30 p.m.